Hi guys, today I am sharing with you 10 more items I'm going to be adding to our go bags. If you guys don't know, I've done a full in-depth video of what's in our go bags, and that is also known as our 72-hour bags, which are bags in case you have to run out for an emergency, run out your house. It could be an emergency, it could be natural disasters, it could be a gas leak in the neighborhood and everybody needs to get out. But whatever it is, it's our bags that we grab and go, and that would get us through the next 72 hours. So I will definitely link my entire video if you want to see everything that's included, including dog gear as well. But this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you 10 new items or things you may not have thought about that I will be adding or I may be restocking in our bags. And hopefully you'll find something helpful as well. Hashtag real mom life, hence my daughter in the background who's supposed to be napping, but she's going to be in here with me. So, she's gotten so big already. Feel free to say hello to her in the comments. Let's get started. One item that I will be incorporating into all of our bags are these salt sticks. So I've fallen in love with these. OMG. What they are fast acting hydration. They're little chewables. Let me open up one. They are in a Ziploc container, so you can zip it back closed. But there's little chewables here that are full of hydration. There's no mixing, no waiting. You just chew this. It has electrolytes in here. You do take 2 of them and they work within minutes. So this is great for when you need instant hydration. It gives you those electrolytes. And a lot of times when we're out on the go, we need electrolytes no matter if you're going to be out in the sun or walking or even riding. Electrolytes is very important. So it works hand in hand with water. But this is, if you need a dose of electrolytes, instant hydration, this is literally an electrolyte chewable, which is amazing. I do these like all the time, just even like around the house. Like when I feel like I'm getting dehydrated, I just grab some of this, and then, water is great too. But you do get 10 chewables in each little pack. They have tons of flavors. I will say, I don't know if I have a favorite. I think I might have a flavor. I think it's lemon lime, maybe. They're a bit salty, but it's, electrolyte, but it's not, you're not getting it for the taste. You're getting it for the instant hydration, right? So these are the perfect size to pack with you. They're lightweight, but they do provide that instant hydration, which can be very essential. So I'm definitely throwing some of these in all of our to-go bags. Another thing, I added water to our bottles of water, but I was like, let me throw some of these little packets in our bags because one, these save so much space. They're much flatter. And with go bags, they get heavy quick. So you definitely want to be mindful of the things you're packing in them and the sizes, because it can become very heavy quick and it can be overly packed quick. So these are emergency waters, and they usually last I think up to 5 years, depending on when you buy them, but they do last a long time. So instead of taking tons of bottles, I cut the bottles down to a couple and threw in a lot of these, because the water, you can drink it when you're thirsty. You can also cook with it too. So you definitely want to have water in your bags. But again, I'm pulling back on the number of bottles that we're taking and then throwing in the packs again because they last longer too. So, and I've actually kept these in our trucks. We're in Georgia, y'all, in the heat, and they work great. If you haven't got on these, get on them. Since we're talking about water, I also make sure to pack some of these in our bags. Now, I really, really like these because they don't take up a lot of space. And if you're curious what they are, these are water bottles. They're refillable water bottles. So they do have a carrying handle on here. You got your little spout there to drink from. So you can fill these up with water. So again, in case we run out of water, if we come across a water source, a water fountain or something, we can always refill water and have water with us. You can reuse this as well. I love that the opening on this is also really big too. Let me show you. So it's easy to refill. But these are going in every bag also in case we need to keep refilling water without having to worry about the space of a big, large water bottle. So these are perfect. Since I just talked about hydration, let's talk about a couple new food finds I'll be adding to my bags. I am huge on protein and packing a lot of protein in our bags because protein keeps us full. Here's some really cool protein finds. One are these protein pretzels. I love that each one of these little small bags, you see how small it is? Each one of these bags are between 27 and 28 grams of protein. That is extremely filling. So instead of taking regular snacks or regular chips or regular pretzels, pack protein because it will, again, help you to keep full. And these also have some fiber in them too. But the main thing is the protein, and they don't take a lot of space. you can take a couple bags of these and fill up on protein. 30 grams is more than a meal. Literally, it's a meal replacement. Speaking of 30 grams, these bars here are 30 grams of protein, and this is from MedRx. This is something that is very filling. They have blueberry cobbler flavor too. That's the one I actually want next. This one do have chocolate in it, so you have to worry about it melting, but they do, again, have several other flavors. But when I found that these had 30 grams of protein, and they actually taste like, my husband is a big protein like person. You can taste the protein because it is so much, but it tastes good to be protein, if that makes sense. It's not delicious, no, but it tastes really yummy to be a protein bar. This one bar is a meal replacement. So again, I would definitely recommend like some of the other flavors, maybe without the chocolate, but I did want to share these because this is an awesome find to have when you need filling food. Now, another source of protein you can always rely on is jerky, but this is chicken jerky. So if you want something different than the regular jerkies on the market, you can try this one. It's a chicken jerky, 0 sugar, made with all natural chicken, and it's 9 grams of protein. So does not take up a lot of space. We love these. Great to help you stay full and space saving too. You can throw a lot of these in your bags, but they have the chicken. I wanted to share that in case y'all didn't know that. I came across and I was like, oh, I gotta share. And they got rotisserie chicken too. I'll try to link as much as I can in the comments, y'all. Okay, and another thing I'm adding are these Noka packets. They are a smoothie essentially, but they have 5 grams of plant fiber in them, and they are chef stable. So the one thing I like about these too is they last a long time, and you can have these packed. So you get your fruits, you get your protein all in one little packet. So these are perfect for go bags, whether it's for kids or adults. Our kids love them too. They're made for adults as well. So it's a great little smoothie pack to have with you and pack in your bags also, and provide that protein. Moving on to a couple other necessities. Now, these little Guru Nanda to go toothbrushes that are individually wrapped are definitely getting added. I did have a pack of, I think I had like a regular toothbrush and toothpaste and all of that stuff. But to cut down on spacing, y'all, these little to-go packets are perfect, okay? These are preloaded with toothpaste already, so you could literally just throw a couple of these in your bags and you can dispose of them as well. They're lightweight, doesn't take up a lot of space. But another thing that you can add to your bags. Now, I want to share with you a couple lighting finds. I mean, I had some light sources, but I found some even more compact ones that I do want to share with y'all. And those are these two. Now, this is one I already had in one bag, but I'm actually going to put them in all of them. This is a solar flashlight right here. It is also a handheld flashlight. So when it comes to emergencies, you may not have batteries, you may not have power, but if you want light, you need one of these. Again, it has the solar panel, so you can always charge it with the sun, and it has a hand crank on it too, so you can always crank it, and voila, you got you instant light. I love that it has a clip on here as well, so you can clip it on things. Even great to have in the truck at nighttime when kids need to see in the vehicle. If you're traveling, you can just clip this to the back of the seat and you can clip it, hang it, have some lights. But great for on the go, great when you're out and you need light. Think about light. You always need a flashlight. And this is a hand crank one plus solar. Perfect combination. Another item too is this light does not take up a lot of space at all. It's so tiny. You can add it to a keychain. You can literally add it to the outside of your bag. But this thing is bright, okay? This is great for when you need a light source, when you're trying to look at the path, when you're trying to find something. Any light is better than no light, especially when you don't have electricity or power or it's nighttime, okay? So this is one, again, does not take up a lot of space, gives you instant light, okay? And you don't have to worry about like batteries and things like that. This lasts a long time. Spacing is important in our bags, so I've been trying to find these like most compact, efficient way to give us what we need. Now, another thing I will be adding to all our bags are hand warmers and body warmers because, you know, if it's cold, these can be extremely helpful for warming you up. And if it's in the middle of the night and it's chilly, again, just having these in the bag and not have to worry about switching out summer and winter, just space saving things. You can keep your bag prepped all year. So I got the variety pack, and they do like, these are the hand warmers that last up to 10 hours of heat, which is great. And all you do is open it, break it, and activate it. I've used these for years. I know a lot of you guys have too, but they have the hand warmers, they have the toe warmers, and they have the body warmers. So definitely feel free to grab you some of those. Don't take a lot of space. Put these in your little pockets and have in case it's cold outside. Now, I don't know why I didn't have this. This is when I didn't have in my bags, y'all. And I don't know why I didn't even have these in my bags, but adding them. And that is some Kleenex and tissue. So having Kleenex, of course, everybody knows the importance of Kleenex, okay? The nose running, you just need just some Kleenex. You can have the little packets here. And then I also got to go tissue in case you're outside and you use the potty, right? Or you're in a bathroom or the place or vicinity, maybe a gym, evacuation or something, and they don't have tissue in there. You have you some tissue, okay? They do have these little to-go rolls. I don't know if they make this exact one anymore, but I would definitely try to link when I can find. Have you some tissue, okay? And also Kleenex is essential. And these are the compact versions. So instead of taking a big old roll of tissue, again, our bags are limited, right? So you want to think about the spacing. Having this in your bag can definitely be helpful. Another item I'm adding, and I don't think I had these in my bags, y'all, mask. You definitely want some mask, okay? The air may not be breathable. It may have been a chemical leak, which we had recently in one part of Atlanta. Like, it was shut down for a while. Like, you could not go outside, or if you did, you need a mask on. So you just never know. It could be virus going around, or it could be, again, a gas leak or chemical leak. But having you some mask in your bags, I think is very essential too. So grab you some, put some in your bags too if you have not. Now, we do have a first aid kit and we had medicine, but what I'm doing is I'm switching out for compact medicine. A couple of them are going to be these little to-go Motrin packets and then also to-go kids Tylenol. So again, when it comes to our bags, you want to be conscious of how much stuff you're taking. We don't have the space to be taking big old bottles of stuff because it'll get heavy, right? And also spacing will decrease the more stuff we take. But some stuff is essential. So we do want medicine, but finding more compact ways was very important to me. So I love the little to-go packets of Motrin. So you don't have to worry about like big old bottles and you can take as many as these and they don't take a lot of space and they last a long time. So you don't have to worry about sometimes when you open bottles, like, you know, it starts to decrease the shelf life, but these are sealed. And then also to-go Tylenol for the kids because you definitely need some kids Tylenol if you have kids or grandbabies, right? And these are great because, again, you don't have to take a big old bottle of Motrin or Tylenol. You have the little packets ready to go. So there you go, you guys. This is definitely, of course, not all that's in my bag. So if you want to check out that full in-depth video, it's so much stuff in our bags and so much helpful things. Definitely go watch that entire full video because I shared not only stuff for me, my husband, I shared the type of bags we use. I shared our dog gear, things we take for a dog, our kids' bags as well. So little Miss Zuri will be getting her a bag now. It'll be a little rolling bag, but she's big enough because she loves to roll stuff. But yeah, we will be updating our bags, and these are some of the items that I'll be either restocking or adding to it. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you like these type videos, definitely let me know. And if not, just say hello because I love to read you guys' comments. Appreciate y'all being here, tuning in. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And if you guys enjoyed this video, go watch this video.